Hey guys, welcome back to IYC. Today we are going to show you how to make an easy, tasty and healthy chia seed pudding. The ingredients you need are honey, dates, coconut milk, salt and chia seeds. First, take 1 cup of coconut milk.
Then add a pinch of salt.
Next, add 2 tablespoons of honey.
Then add 1/4 cup of chia seeds.
Now mix well. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, fiber, iron and calcium. Now pour this into bowls. Next, add 1 teaspoon of chopped dates into each bowl. Now mix this well. Next, refrigerate for 2 to 3 hours and your pudding will be ready.
Now the pudding is set and ready for garnishing.
You can use your favorite nuts and fruits. We are using blueberries and chopped mangoes. Time for tasting.